Hey guys, welcome. Nope. This is MDD Snake, a Max for Live patch plugin. It basically generates MIDI for you to connect to whatever instrument. Download MDD Snake from the description below. Place it in your user library from your download folder to save for later. Choose your MIDI instrument, place MDD Snake before it, and press play. Add an LFO from the modulations folder. Set it to square wave and change the rate to 1. Map it to the random on MDD Snake. Now it's generating random MIDI. Record this by inserting an audio track. Set to resampling.
Press record.
Find parts you like and get to chopping. Now you have fun random ideas with not much effort. You could also use AI to do it for you and tell people how you make fire beats fam.
Oh.
I'm such a great producer, you stupid, dumb, bullshit, f***ing,
Bruh.